specifically Bradenton, the racetrack in Freedom Factory.
Oh, he's about to drive.
All right, fellas, just one change here.
Airfield.
Old film.
Just stop recording for now because I figured they would.
Oh, because they're already in.
Yeah, right. It's easier to keep them in. What's up, man? I'm Steve. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
You guys, how's everybody doing?
Good.
You doing good? Well, you guys got the boost weather today.
Showed us a video. Saw him do a pass.
Once it hooked up, it was fine.
It's hard to make that right turn going off the track. So I'll be in your ears, and what we call a race here, which is the one-way communication.
Some people do. Head socks. When you're racing, put on the head sock. All right.
Don't forget to floor it. That's most important.
So look at there's Squirrel, there's James, and there's Sam. No spectators at the Freedom Factory, but they are over there ripping it. See the smoke? They're just ripping it. You can hear it off of the distance. Yeah, the engines here at the drag strip overpower the noises at the Freedom Factory, but you can hear them. You can hear them. They're on the burnout pad 100%. So I'm excited to post and for you guys to see my lap times compared to the big dogs in about a week's time and the Freedom 500 to see if I have comparable times to the fast drivers, including NASCAR legends and YouTube social influencers, the Cleetus himself.